Hi, it's Guy DiMartino, a Northwest Indiana estate planning lawyer. I recently met with somebody who had this question. Somebody who passed away and he was going to be the personal representative of the estate, and he wanted to know if he has to pay the estate's expenses and debts out of his pocket, or if the beneficiaries have to pay the debts and expenses out of their pocket. And the simple answer to the question is no. You see, an estate is an entity in and of itself. And the personal representative, as long as they follow the rules of the law, and the heirs are not responsible for the debts of the person who passed away. So this is the way it works. After somebody passes away, the will be submitted to the court for probate. At that point in time, you have to give all your creditors that you know of notice that the probate is opened, and then you publish notice in the newspaper. The requirement of this notice starts a clock ticking, and anybody who might have a claim against the estate has to file the claim against the estate on a timely basis. At that point in time, the personal representative has the option of acknowledging the claim and accepting the claim, rejecting the claim or objecting to the claim, or trying to negotiate some resolution to the potential claim. Sometimes heirs or the personal representative may have to initially outlay some expenses if there's money that's tied up, for instance, in a bank account, and nobody can get into the bank account until there's a court order ordering the bank to transfer the funds, or get into a safe deposit box until there's a court order ordering the bank to open the safe deposit box. So sometimes the heirs, loved ones, personal representative have to take some money out of their pocket in order to pay some of the expenses that might be due and owed at that time. For instance, for electricity in the home, or gas or water in the home, or something else that might be pressing. Maybe there's a tax bill that you don't want to get to go into default, or things along those lines. But when it comes to typical creditors, whether it's a medical bill, or whether it's a credit card bill, or whether it's somebody who's holding a note on a vehicle or a boat, yeah, the personal representative is not personally responsible for those bills, nor are the heirs personally responsible for the bills. But if it's a valid claim against the estate, those creditors will be paid out of the monies from the estate. If you have any questions about a Northwest Indiana estate planning matter or probate matter, you can always give me a call or shoot me an email. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.